Guys, we should head to bed. We have a long day TMR.
How about we do scary stuff instead?
But like what?
No, we're not doing anything unless it's getting rest. Now everyone all to bed.
Huh, what was that noise?
Is everything okay, Donnie?
Sophia is sleeping right now, so she can't come. Huh?
What happened, Yunche?
Oh, nothing.
It's morning now, so it's time for dance practice.
I bet it goes like this. Pinky up, up, pinky up, up, pinky up, up, pinky up, up, pinky up. One day soon the world's gonna end. I'm gonna make out with my new bestest friends. I wanna live large right before it all burns down. Up, pinky up, go hard like a Robin the Louvre. Lisa with the cute attitude. I wanna get high right before we're in the ground. Lost, screaming from cloud nine. No one can touch us if they tried. Ooh, but it's a state of mind. I bet it goes like this. Pinky up, up, pinky up, up, pinky up.
I'm so tired right now, but where did Manon go?
Remember, she isn't a part of Pinky Up.
Guys, I'm going to practice a bit more.
Everyone says okay and leaves except Yunchai.
Manon,